Hello again and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here we have a 2009 J32 series Nissan Maxima. It's a 2.5 litre V6 automatic, as they all are. There's the reasons here, a bit of a whack in that door there. The STL, good clean tidy car, 166,000 kilometres. We'll just jump inside and start up for you. It's got nice black leather trim in there. Very clean tidy car. Just unfortunately got a bit of a whack in the door. You can see our trim there. I'll just put the key in the slot, as we do. In the slot, there we go. Go in there. Righto. Start her up. Okay. 166048 kilometres. All unadulterated, good console. Just do a quick walk around, I'll pop the bonnet for you. It's got a good bonnet, good headlights, good mudguard there. Front bar's not so good. They're good, they're Xenon headlights too. Very special. Pick that up. There we go. Say 2 litre. Good headlights. The wheels have got some tiny marks on them. These two doors are good. Good bootlit taillights. See their compliance plate here, 1209. See that? Very clean. Rear bar's got a tiny mark just there, I've noticed. And I think there's a space saver spare wheel and tool kit in here. So there it is. One very tidy J32 series Nissan Maxima, a 250 STL. For dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. There's our number up there, 0246461733. So if you need some Maxima parts, any car parts, give the Parts Plus guys a call on that number and we'll help you out. So we'll put this one to bed and talk to you next time. Thanks for watching and bye for now.